Hello and welcome to a brief screencast explaining how to create an account and join the SSP group on cteonline.org. First, go to cteonline.org. Click on Create Account. This pops up. All you have to do is set up an email address, your name, a password, a small verification to make sure you're not a robot trying to flood the system, although I'm not sure why anybody would, and you create your account. Once you've created your account, the next time you come to cteonline.org, you can go into sign in your account. Once you sign in, this will be your landing page. You'll have your lesson plans once you create them, projects, outline, collections, and favorites. One of the important things to note is that you want to join the SSP group, Specialized Secondary Programs. So what you do, Specialized Secondary Programs, SSP. You look it up, and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't find it. Where is it? There are tons of groups on CTE Online. As you can see, there's 182 groups that have either Specialized Secondary Programs or SSP within the title. And I'll show you what it looks like using my groups. Specialized Secondary Programs. So you want to click on that. And that gives you all the information about our group. There's a picture of Tony, and you can view all the members here. Once you have created your account, you'll also have this drop-down menu where you can edit your profile, upload a photograph. I am not Charlie Brown, but I am bald and wear glasses and thought this would be an awesome picture, and that's why I use it. It's probably terrible. But ultimately what you can do is make up whatever it is that you personally want to make up for your profile, a little bit about yourself, things of that nature. The key though is that you join the group. Here where it says leave group, it'll say join group. Click on it. This will be crucial because when you have your outline, your projects, your lessons, your resources, you'll have to share them out. So this is one that I've created, and you want to make sure you share it properly. So when you go over here to the gears, click share, and once you've joined a group, you look for your groups, and it'll have Specialized Secondary Programs. You want to click on that. I have other groups that I've joined. There's a school group. There's my SSP group within the school, and I've shared my content with both of them. But you want to make sure you at least share it with the SSP group. So select group, and when you get to it, all members, view and copy. You want to make sure you allow them to view and copy. Once you do that, it's saved. Thanks again for listening.